Dulu.
Ya nini?
Ngaruiya. Odhubukia. Ochiraini.
O ndari aroya taito ya 001.
Bae. Yaramioya. No rang'ang'ana guku proof andu wrong. Aria marauga ni ateng'eragio kidogo. Ni lusungu.
Rongoso.
Kingoso.
Githungu nakio tikiandu othe.
Tikiandu othe.
Tugire githungu nakio. It's not a measure of intelligence.
No, it is not. But Wapidulu is buying that clout. He's really trying to prove himself. Oria ni akiugire wega fiu. Talk English. I can't. No, I'm a dear. Now we talk English. I can't. No, Ngaruiya ri. Thimu yake ngaina. Itoteja mwine kwa ya andu a mohoro magithoma ku TV-ini.
Prompter kana.
Ngaina teleprompter. Ya yogo. Ukonajia. When people saying that you
don't talk English.
Yeah. No hara tumenya ne ka odwari hasete ri ni hari arauga Auga. Githungu etikona. Gitire
expression ite.
Cha. Githungu etire. Na we. Kana. Ai. Githungu ke damn. Man, I don't know. No ethics. Ai tu kane othie. Okihojo kuria. Ekonyole matindaga. Rũhonge rwa rwa gĩcicio
gĩa gĩthũngũ
na ti wega matwenyererie mwana
please
What king are you? You're king of where?
King of Kogoco.
Where?
Here in this place.
Come on, who gave you that title?
By peoples.
It's people at the glory. So you want to be MP? Super care?
Yes.
How many votes will you get?
Many, like majority.
Have you read The Art of War by Sun Tzu?
Huh?
Come again? Oh, Salah. Have you read The Art of War by Sun Tzu?
No, but when I sing...
When I sing, Taoro Adikile. So you're saying you're gonna sing your way to Parliament? That's what you're gonna do?
They love music.
You can't make this stuff up. Ngaruiya Jr.
I will win.
King of Kogoco. You will win against who? Against who?
The people who stand.
Do you know one standing order of Parliament? Just one standing order. Honorable Ngaruiya.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir. I vote no. Happy Dulu. Is smoking. My guest today He's not only the king of kogoco, he's gunning for parliament. He's gonna go for it. He's been there. He's done that. He's been in government, in opposition, and back in government. What are your thoughts about Brigadier Gishagwa? What's your model? English. Ngaruiya, this is not Yokohama.
But you ask him.
You see, when you ask it, Gadi, better?
He said I'm work.
He say, 1, 2, 2. Eh? He said 2. Me, 2. Oh, come on. What's your level of education? Did you get past class 2? Did you, Ngaruiya? Did you get past class 2? Did you? That one is Mohuhu. And Jeff, what do people say on the top of motor vehicle? Come on, Ngaruiya, come on. Smoking.
Yeah. Don't reset to social media.
Let me ask you, Ngaruiya, what street is Parliament on?
It's Nairobi.
What street? What road? Do you know what road? Come on, Ngaruiya, what road?
It's Uhuru Park.
Nia GPO. Come on, Ngaruiya. You can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. You either know or you don't, Ngaruiya. Tell me, what street is it? You see? I have seen it.
When you pass KICC.
When we were in Kwehetithia in Kawajiko, I was inside.
And I sing.
And it is where, inside there, is when I touch there and declare. I shall come back as
MP.
Subukia. You can't make this stuff up. He's gonna sing his way to the ballot. Comes with loads of praises and worship.
Twenyereria mwana.
Ngaruiya Junior, tell me, have you ever gone out of the country? Have you? Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have.
Show me.
It's a home.
Show me. Come on, Ngaruiya, that's a passport photo. You can't make this stuff up. Smoking. Folks, sit back. You're gonna sing for us a number? Ngaruiya? Yes. And you don't remove share when I start. No, it's the bench. It's always there.
We wish him well.
What do you know about Subukia, Ngaruiya? What do you know about Subukia? 1. Sabi mo raya. 2.
Gadeba.
Tony Yang. Ready? Gadeba. Salim Junior. Ay Kaleon. Oh, take your time. Go on. Subukia. Papi dulu ya koi naga. You can't make this stuff up. We'll be back.